Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. I missed you guys so much. I've been kind of busy working on other projects, and pretty soon I'm gonna start doing live videos with my brothers, and make sure you stay tuned. And today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make car magnets. If you already have a vinyl cutter, you can make car magnets, yard signs, banners, and all kinds of stuff. Make sure you check out our channel. And if this is the first time, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a like, and share our videos. We really appreciate it. Okay, and for the magnets, we got the Magnum Magnetics 24" by 50 feet gloss finish, and it cost around $162, and is the 30 millimeters. Up here we have the ruler, which is a 32" ruler, and you'll also need a cutting mat, which is 23" by 35, and all the links will be in the description. The vinyl cutter we have is the Graphic CE 6060, which is a 24", and the vinyl we use is the Oracle 651 vinyl. Tape we use is the Art Tape Clear Choice AT75. Software that we use is CorelDRAW X6. Okay, now what we gotta do, we just gotta cut the magnet. You can use just a regular blade, and we already have the marks, and it has to be 24 by 12, and the roll is already 24 inches. All we gotta do is just cut it across like that. Simple. That's why you need the cutting mat, because you cannot just cut it on top of the table, or you will cut the table if you don't use the cutting mat. Okay, we got our two magnets ready, 24 by 12. All right, now we're gonna remove the backing tape and just do it slowly. Try not to get as many bubbles. We got our registration marks for the second color. Those little rectangles you will see there are the registration marks. Okay, now comes the part where you have to be careful because of the tape that we used is the AT75. This one's a little bit more aggressive. Make sure you do not pull way too hard, because the letters will come off. I would say this is like the best tape to use for the stickers. Now we're gonna use the rapid tag to add the second color so we can reposition it or realign it. Yep. Just like that. Really cool design with two different colors, the green and the brown. It looks really nice. I like the combination. Okay, we got a corner rounder, and it's not big enough. That's the reason I do not add the link in the description, because I need to get a bigger one. It does the job, but I need the corners to be bigger. And you can get all the materials from US Cutter. And if you want to help our channel, you can just order from the links that I'm gonna leave in the description. We will really appreciate it. Okay, and this is the end result. Thank you guys for watching. And by the way, we got a second channel. I'm gonna leave the link in the description if you want to check it out and see what other things we got going on that channel. The only thing is that it's in Spanish, so if you want to check it out, make sure you follow the link. Thank you very much, and you guys have a great day. Thanks for all your support. See you until the next video.